So here we have the Mercedes-Benz GL500 on a 12 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's got tinted windows and alloy wheels. We'll start off inside the boot first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key or from the tailgate itself, of course. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors and the tow bar. All 7 seats are in place at the moment. You can, of course, fold these rear 2 down. You can fold the middle 3 down as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb inside the car, I think it's well worth seeing the inside from this exterior point of view. As you can see, we have those DVD screens for rear passengers and plenty of controls to run through on here as well. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They're 106,904. Beneath that, it will show you what gear this car is currently in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment, of course. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have buttons to change your trip computer information up there. And then on the right-hand side, we have both stereo and phone controls. Just behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles will enable you to change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. And then over in the center, we have the main screen for the car. So up on here, you have got, for example, your satellite navigation. You can navigate your way around the screen using these arrows. You can see we've got the nice clear color display for the sat nav. When it comes to your audio, you can access your radio menus. Down the bottom here, you've got your various different presets. You can pair your phone from up on here as well. And on top of that, if we put the car into reverse, you'll see that we've got the full color reversing camera as well. Working our way down from there, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in for driver and passenger, independently of one another as well. And when you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on and off. You can hit auto if you wish to. The car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed, which you can hear it doing in the background, to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. You can override that whenever you wish to, put it back on your own settings here as well. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same over there for the passenger side. You can change the driving setup for the suspension just here. We can turn our traction control on and off, parking sensors on and off. And then below that, you can change the differential of the car. So you could lock it into 4-wheel drive, for example. You can change the ride height of the car here as well. So plenty of controls there. And the last thing I wanted to run through are the twin sunroofs. We have manual blinds. You can close over should you wish to do that, but you can open up this as a full sliding sunroof as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.